Top 8 vitamins to heal and protect your eyes. There are a variety of factors that can contribute to eye problems, including age, genetics, poor nutrition, exposure to harmful UV rays, and a sedentary lifestyle. As we age, the risk of developing eye problems such as glaucoma, macular degeneration, and cataracts increases. Genetics can also play a role in the development of eye diseases, making some individuals more susceptible to certain conditions. Additionally, poor nutrition can lead to eye problems. Without enough vitamins and minerals, the nerves and tiny blood vessels in our eyes can become damaged, causing poor eyesight and eye diseases. Exposure to harmful UV rays can also have damaging effects on our eyes, leading to issues such as photokeratitis, cataracts, and macular degeneration. Finally, a sedentary lifestyle and prolonged screen time can cause eye strain, dryness, and irritation, which can lead to long-term eye problems. Thankfully, there are various vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and enzymes that we can consume to help improve and protect our eye health. In this video, we'll be discussing these essential nutrients in depth and how they can benefit our eyesight. However, it's essential to remember that this video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any medical concerns, it's always best to consult with your doctor. The number 1 of this list is retinol vitamin A. It is one of the most important vitamins for maintaining healthy eyesight. It plays a vital role in the production of pigments in the retina that are responsible for vision in low-light conditions. Without enough vitamin A, these pigments can't regenerate, leading to night blindness and other vision problems. Vitamin A is also essential for maintaining the health of other parts of the eye, such as the cornea and conjunctiva. It helps to keep these tissues moist and healthy, which can prevent dry eye syndrome and other eye conditions. Luckily, we can obtain vitamin A through a variety of natural food sources, including leafy greens, sweet potatoes, carrots, and egg yolks. Incorporating these foods into our diets can help ensure that we get the daily dose of vitamin A we need to maintain healthy eyesight and overall eye health. Number 2 is vitamin B2. It's also known as riboflavin, and vitamin B3, also known as niacin, are 2 essential nutrients that play a critical role in maintaining healthy eyesight. Both vitamins have been shown to reduce the risk of developing cataracts and glaucoma, 2 of the most common eye diseases. Vitamin B2 is necessary for the production of glutathione, an antioxidant that helps protect the eyes from oxidative stress. It's also essential for maintaining the health of the cornea and can help prevent the development of cataracts. You can get your daily dose of vitamin B2 from almonds, dairy products, lean meats, and leafy green vegetables. Vitamin B3, on the other hand, plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of the optic nerve, which is responsible for transmitting visual information from the eye to the brain. It can also help reduce the risk of glaucoma, a condition that can cause permanent vision loss. Foods rich in vitamin B3 include mushrooms, tuna, peanuts, and chicken. Next, number 3 is zinc. It's a crucial mineral that plays a significant role in maintaining healthy eyesight. One of its essential functions is aiding the absorption of vitamin A in the body, making it an essential mineral for maintaining healthy vision. Additionally, zinc acts as an antioxidant, which helps protect the eyes from oxidative stress and damage caused by free radicals. Zinc can be found in a variety of foods, including oysters, beef, and pumpkin seeds. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help improve your eye health and prevent vision loss. In fact, studies have shown that zinc supplements can reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, one of the leading causes of vision loss in older adults. So, if you want to keep your eyes healthy and functioning correctly, make sure to consume zinc-rich foods regularly. If you find this information helpful, please consider tapping the like button, subscribing to our channel, and turning on all notifications to stay updated with our latest content. Number 4. Benfotiamine. It's a lesser-known form of vitamin B1 that plays an essential role in promoting eye health. It works by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the eyes, which can lead to the development of eye diseases like diabetic retinopathy. Diabetic retinopathy is a condition that affects people with diabetes, causing damage to the blood vessels in the retina and potentially leading to blindness. However, studies have shown that benfotiamine can help reduce the risk of developing this condition. Benfotiamine is available in supplement form, but it can also be obtained through a diet rich in vitamin B1. Some of the best food sources of vitamin B1 include nuts, beans, and whole grains. Let's now talk about the number 5 of this list, lutein and zeaxanthin. They are two carotenoids that play a crucial role in maintaining healthy eyesight. They act as powerful antioxidants, helping to protect the eyes from harmful blue light, which is emitted by digital screens and the sun. By doing so, they can help reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, one of the leading causes of vision loss in older adults. Lutein and zeaxanthin are particularly important because the human body does not produce them naturally. Therefore, it's essential to obtain them through diet or supplements. Fortunately, both carotenoids are abundant in several natural food sources, including kale, spinach, and other leafy greens. Now the number 6, cod liver oil. It's a popular dietary supplement, is a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats can help reduce the risk of macular degeneration, a condition that causes vision loss in older adults, as well as dry eye syndrome, a common eye condition that causes discomfort and irritation. In addition to cod liver oil, omega-3 fatty acids can be found in several foods, including salmon, chia seeds, and walnuts. Number 7, bile salts. It's also known as digestive enzymes, and it play a vital role in our body's ability to absorb fat-soluble vitamins, including vitamin A and E. Without these digestive enzymes, our bodies would struggle to break down and absorb these vitamins effectively, leading to potential deficiencies. Thankfully, there are many natural food sources of bile salts that we can incorporate into our diets. Eggs, liver, and other organ meats are all excellent sources of bile salts, and they can help ensure that our bodies are absorbing the necessary vitamins to maintain optimal eye health. Lastly, number 8, vitamin C. It's an essential nutrient and antioxidant that offers many health benefits, including maintaining healthy eyesight. It helps reduce inflammation and protect the eyes from oxidative stress, preventing the development of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration, to leading causes of vision loss. While citrus fruits, berries, and leafy greens are all good sources of vitamin C, acerola berry powder is considered the best natural source of this nutrient. This powder contains up to 100 times more vitamin C than oranges, and just 1 teaspoon provides over 100% of the recommended daily intake. Adding acerola berry powder to smoothies or other foods is a convenient and easily accessible way to boost your immune system and support eye health. Lifestyles changes. In this section of the video, we'll delve into some lifestyle tips that can help safeguard your eyesight. While natural remedies can aid in maintaining healthy eyes, adopting a healthy lifestyle is crucial in protecting your eyes from potential damage. Here are some practical tips to help preserve your eyesight. 1. Include foods rich in nutrients like vitamin A, C, E, and omega-3 fatty acids in your diet to support healthy eyesight. 2. Exercise regularly to improve blood flow to the eyes and maintain overall eye health. Get regular eye exams to detect any issues early on and ensure your vision is up to par. 3. Avoid rubbing your eyes frequently to prevent irritation and reduce the risk of infection. Manage chronic conditions like diabetes and high blood pressure that can affect your eyesight and cause complications. 4. Limit screen time and use devices with proper lighting to reduce eye strain. Consider using anti-blue light glasses to protect your eyes from the harmful effects of blue light. 5. Get adequate sleep to give your eyes time to rest and rejuvenate. By following these lifestyle tips, you can help protect your eyesight and reduce the risk of developing eye diseases. It's important to make these healthy habits a part of your daily routine and stick to them for the long term. Thank you for tuning in and watching this video. We hope you found it informative and useful. Remember, your health is your wealth, and we wish you all the best on your journey towards a healthier lifestyle. Like, subscribe, and stay healthy.